Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Durga Madan here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my previous videos, I have discussed about the importance of note making, my note making journey, and many of you are asking how did I prepare for my NEET PG exam. So a portion of my revision was covered by my own self-made notes, and one portion was entirely the pre-made notes which somehow I made my own by adding stick-ons and important points and the facts that I thought that might appear in the exam and I might forget them on the D-Day, that factual points that require again and again a revision and repetition. And Bharatiya Institute was kind enough to send me their pre-made notes. Let us see how their latest version of notes are. These notes are, for what all I know, are video transcript based notes on their latest edition of eGurukul 3.0. Let us unbox this package and see how they have improved on their previous version. Okay, so the package is here, my cutter is here. Let us unbox this package. There's a gift inside. This is the gift they have sent me. Let us see what all things are that they have included in this package. Let us see what it all has. So I can see a lot of things here. There's a pretty notebook. It can be used as a 20th notebook or your planner. Let us see what else is there. There are bookmarks. I'm a sucker for bookmarks, and these are so cool. They have some shlok written over it. There are markers, permanent markers, black, red and blue. There's two set of highlighters. Let us see how all the 19 subject notes are out there of the box now. Let us see one by one what all they have. The first one is the radiology notes by Dr. Rajat. Radiology is a really visual subject and you need to have an orientation of all the scans that they asked in the exam. And I can see these notes do justice to that. They have very beautifully explained all the diagrams, and the image quality is really nice, which I think is an improvement from the previous notes. Also, the previous questions are given at the back of each notes, and that can be a really good resource just before the exam, because repeat questions are frequently asked when it comes to
The new feature I could notice here are the video timestamps. You can refer to that point of the video whenever you feel confused about that particular topic.
The next are the anatomy notes by Dr. Ashwini. Anatomy, again, a really visual subject, and we all love Dr. Ashwini. We all love his classes, the way he explains the concepts, and all the line diagrams he uses to explain during his classes to understand us, to make us understand better of the relations of various arteries, nerves are also given, as you can see here. Also, the amazing feature I can see here are the neuroanat diagrams. We all confuse when it comes to neuroanatomy, and these questions are frequently asked. And I can see the neuroanat diagrams are given really nicely. The quality of the images again is very good. The quality of paper is also good. The next I can see are the psychiatry notes by Dr. Ankur. It's a really small package including all the things. Yes, these are again really colorful, color coded and highlighted. All the previous questions are given in the back. These are the anesthesia notes by Dr. Ajay, and I can see all these notes again color coded. The font is really uniform, giving it a neat look. I can see image based questions and all the images given here also. INICT people, they are really fond of asking such questions, and I think these notes are doing justice by adding all the important images. So next are these ortho notes by Dr. Sushil Vijay. These notes also do have all the important images listed out here. Again color coded, and one thing I can notice is there is an active space given in the lower section of the page to include your own points, which is an important thing. Next are the pathology notes, and I'm really excited to open these notes because we all know, we all stumble upon whenever there is a weird looking specimen coming in the exam or an histopath image coming up in the exam, which we all find to be similar. So let us see what all it has. Yes, it has all the histopath images as well as the specimen images, and the quality is also really good. I think this would be a really important resource to brush up just before the exam, when you just need to look at the images and so that you don't panic when something new appears in the exam, right? Next are the pharma notes. Pharma notes are something that I feel we read multiple times because it is a volatile thing, it is a volatile subject. My pharma is very weak, and I remember reading my notes 100 times before the exam because we all feel we are missing something, and all the concepts are given here very nicely. The font is really uniform, giving it a neat appearance. Next are the pediatrics notes by Dr. Pankaj Tipu. Pediatrics is my favorite subject. I am also doing my MD in pediatrics. I feel these notes would be a really good resource for my MD exam as well because all the important topics are given here. You can see all the emergencies, all the image-based questions. These can be easily covered through these notes. Next are the ENT notes. ENT, another visual subject where you need to know the anatomy, and I feel they again do justice by including all the important images, all the instruments that they ask. Next are the FMT notes. FMT notes by Dr. Gurudar, and these notes again color coded, highlighted, and as these are video transcript based notes, I can see timeline also given here along with each topic. So whenever you need to recall that topic and you're feeling clueless about it, you can revisit their videos and have a look at the concept again. These are the PSN notes by Dr. Ashwini, Dharma notes by Dr. Khushbu. Again, this should include all the visual questions that are asked, and these notes appear really colorful and visually stimulating, and if you are a visual learner, these notes I think would be a blessing for you. Next are opthal notes by Dr. Neha. Again a visual subject, and look, all the important images are given here. Lastly, these are the surgery notes by Dr. Jay, and I think these are also doing justice and including all the important topics. You can see how color coded they are and the important points are highlighted. You can also add your things by including the things in your active space here. So these were the notes, and I feel if you are in third year and fourth year and just out there knowing nothing about how to go about it, these would be a really good resource. I know the amount and the content is huge, looks to be huge. These sometimes might scare you that I have to read all of this. Remember that notes serve a purpose of reducing your entire material, right? They should serve that purpose. So if you feel that this material is really huge, make it shorter by including all those points that you forget. Make a 20th notebook and use a planner, or highlight those points and bookmark those pages that you need to revise again and again, right? I hope you get to have a look at these notes as well and decide accordingly.